Thank you. Thank you for bringing glory to the nation, family. You have opened the door for gymnastics and more sports to shine in the Philippines. Your Cebuano Lubilier family is proud of you. And also, as a gift, we would like to
Our people are especially made for Carlos. So we have one that is called Moon Grave, and the two others are bars that we sell both in retail, but but these ones are unique because they have Carlos's name engraved behind. So what's unique again about this is that again this is a one-off Carlos his photo, and this is a design of this design by so this is our first edition bar that we launched. That's available at Cebuano Lugar outlets, and so this is the second design that we have available in the market as well. So they all on their own are collectors, but makes it even more special because Carlos again has his own bar here made.
Carlos, you want to give a little reaction? So you have your own gold bars now?
I don't know what to say, but I'm just really grateful and blessed.
Yeah.
Super honored. Yeah,
Natago mo yan.
of course. Grabe ito. So, super cool po din. Talaga. Wow.
No?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat.
Has the face of Diyos.
Sa likod po nito may
Wow.
Yes, po ito po.
Ayun, may mga... You wanna add anything?
So Rob,
Yeah. So he wants to add something.
While we do offer this to our customers, these three were custom made for Carlos. As mentioned, this one has Carlos' face. The ones here, Reina Juana and Bayanihan, if you look at the back of both, also would have Carlos' names on these. So these are three very, very special items because they were exclusively made for Carlos.
And there's only, these are only owned by Carlos and the other
well we have one set for made here, but not with his names, just the photo and without his name behind.
So it's really, you're the only one who has these gold bars, Carlos.
Only one in the world.
You might want to explain what you're looking at.
Yeah. So these bars are available in our branches. We also have our website, cebuanolugarjewelry.com.
Yeah.
And we also have retail stores in Just Jewels in different malls where you can avail of these gold bars should you want to have any of your own gold bar, and we can also put your name on it.
Oh, okay. Thanks.